Welcome back to IB Calculator Tutorials. Today we are looking at systems equations and solving them graphically and algebraically. First, we go to Calculate, press Menu, Algebra, and solve systems of linear equations. The menu is self-explanatory. You put in the number of equations you'd like to solve, normally that is 2, and then you put in the variables, x and y. Next, you simply input the equations. In this case, they will be y equals x minus 2 and y equals 2x minus 5. Simply press enter and you will get your x and y values. But in order to solve the system graphically, we go to the menu, choose Graphs, and when graphing, be sure to format all equations in terms of x. Let us enter the first function, x minus 2. Then press enter and open menu through tab and enter the second equation, 2x minus 5. To get the value of intersection, go to menu, analyze graph, and intersection. Select the area where intersection occurs, and you will get the solution to the system of equations, the x and y values. Thank you for watching.